Aloha my dear ones, it's RawCoconutGirl here. Witam kochani. Today I will be talking to you about how to be positive during hard times. Stay tuned for more.
Hello my dear ones, it's RawCoconutGirl here. I am a regenerative detoxification specialist. I also perform iris analysis for my clients. Iridology by Dr. Bernard Jensen. I am an international healer. I'm sharing with you how I'm healing my body, mind and soul with natural way of healing by using fruits, vegetables and herbs. And maybe I will help you as well. On my channel you can see, for example, my fruity lifestyle in Hawaii. We are frugivore species designed to eat fruit. I also follow my own ethical rules.
Lily Koi and RawCoconutGirl in the flesh. Was that good, Lily Koi? Was that good? Yeah.
I am here to inspire some of you and teach you what the health really is. I will share with you my secrets how to achieve joy, but the most important, I will share with you how to achieve well-being in a natural way.
I got many questions. What do I do to stay so positive during hard times? My answer is my lifestyle. My dear ones, I know it will surprise you, shock you, or some of you probably will be like, oh, whatever. But the lifestyle is the key, and I wanna explain you why. You are what you eat, right? So if you are putting goodies in your body, you will look like a goodie. My dear ones, the most important is to be positive. If you want to achieve positivity, I would follow raw, healthy, based on fruit mostly lifestyle. There is nothing more beautiful than this. Seriously, I can tell by myself, I can tell by my clients, I can tell by people that I experience that changes. It's just so amazing how powerful our lifestyle is. So don't forget to eat your fruit. No. Please follow this life. Just at least try for 7 days and you will see the difference. You can always send me an email at rawcoconutgirl@gmail.com or contact me through my website www.rawcoconutgirl.com. Or you can join me on my private group on Facebook, Dr. Morse Health Group, where I'm giving professional advice to my clients and people that want to learn this lifestyle and understand what the health really is. So I warmly invite you there. My dear ones, I have some suggestions for you because I got a lot of questions, what do I do? So I have some suggestions for you. Here we go. First, I would focus on what you eat. I am a very simple example of human that is so happy through what I eat. I eat very simple. I am frugivore species designed to eat fruit. So I eat basically fruit. I'm detoxifying my body now. So I also taking some herbs. But also I'm doing dry fasts and other kind of fasts. So it's more advanced a little bit. I want to encourage you guys to detoxify your body to feel that happiness. Remember that you are what you eat. So if you eat happiness, you will be happy. Remember that fruits and veggies have full of happiness inside of them, especially fruits. They have electromagnetic energy that can help you to balance your body, that can help you support your body, hydrate your body, detoxify your body on a cellular level if it's composed with herbs. My dear ones, this is amazing how beautiful it is to be a human. So if we got that honor to be a human in a human body, in our avatar, that your soul can be in a human body, I would appreciate that and cherish that every single day. And this is what I do. I'm trying to appreciate that. I appreciate that by feeding my body with proper food, combining with proper food in general. There is nothing more beautiful. So food is number one. Please remember to start your breakfast with simple fruit salad. Plate of fruit. Simple, easy, fast, eco-friendly, and it's super easy. You really don't need to use the soap to wash your dishes after, which is amazing because, you know, this lifestyle is super simple. The food takes for about a few minutes to prepare, and then you just consume it and enjoy it, and it's so amazing and fast, and you really don't need to put much effort into it. So the lifestyle is number one. If you have more questions how to transform yourself to this healthy lifestyle, please contact me through my email RawCoconutGirl@gmail.com, and I could help you with your choices, and I could help you with your well-being. My dear ones, very important here is meditation. And I know, yes, meditation. Meditation helps to keep your mind, body, and spirit in balance, okay, in a peace. Your inner voice is changing. When you are meditating, you are creating peaceful space in your body, peaceful area, awareness and consciousness that can help you to achieve the highest level of yourself. That's something very, very magical that you can do to yourself. I just want to mention here that my favorite movie is Avatar, and I'm talking about it because every time I'm laying down on the grass and I feel that connection, that, like, imagine like my hair, your hair is getting into the roots and they're wrapped around the grass, can't even move. They're just, you know, dived in, and they just dive into the roots. Every time I'm laying down on the grass, they're just diving into the roots and they're just wrapping the grass around, and I'm just hanging there. I'm taking the energy. I feel that energy. And like in my favorite movie, Avatar, these emotions are shown, and they're just amazing. And this is how we actually react. We reconnect with the nature. Next thing, my dear ones, is to have plants in your house, to make a jungle in your house, so your house can breathe, so your house can have clean oxygen, and you can be more happy because of it as well. My dear ones, the color of your room matters. I don't like dark rooms, and I feel very depressed in dark room. And I truly believe that bright rooms, bright apartments, bright houses can actually make your life brighter and lighter, because they have amazing, powerful healing energy. The color therapy is real. It's really real. So if you put some whites or beige here and there, you can really, even gray is nice, space gray. It's really nice to compose it together in your inside. You can actually put some colors in if you like it. You can put some pillows in different colors. You can always arrange it in a different way. But if you own dark furnitures, I would really recommend you to just repaint them into white. This is what I always do. Whenever I move and I don't like furniture, then I just paint it into white, and then I immediately love it. And I love how bright rooms can change my life. And my fiance can actually agree here with me, because at the beginning he didn't like that everything is white till he saw it. So after I prepared, made, composed everything together, he just loved it. And now he can't imagine to live even darker room anymore. He just loves my work, so I'm so blessed and happy. So I really recommend you guys to try that too. Do some DIY work. I know you can do it. Try to not to talk to negative people and create positive thoughts. Because remember, whatever you say and you let it go to the universe, then it will come back sooner or later. So you really want to be careful on what you say. Please try to avoid toxic and negative people. You really want to focus here on your energy and on building your higher self. So it's really important to keep it, okay? So keep it safe and you're safe. My dear ones, I always say that yes, we come to this world alone and we live alone. However, we actually already have a company here. Our body is our company because we are a soul inside of a human body, right? So the body is our vehicle, is our companion to spend this life as much as possible beautiful you can. And that's possible if you wanna do this. If you believe in something, you can do it, okay? This is how simple it is. My dear ones, sunshine, spending time outside, touching the ground, digging the hole in the nature. Take some sunshine, okay? Sunshine is extremely important. Tons of vitamin D, happiness, strength. It is building your immune system. It's amazing, it's super powerful. Plus, it's actually antibacterial. It actually can kill a lot of viruses and bacteria on your body because it's antiviral, antibacterial. So when you do your laundry, for example, you just put it in the sun and the sun will destroy all bacteria and viruses. So my dear ones, the sun is super powerful. Another thing is listening to positive music. Okay? My dear ones, the music is the key. If you don't listen to a smart music, you can really get hurt. The real music, I'm saying, it's listening to real instruments, real voices, real songs, okay? Classical music is a deal here. However, if you don't like it, I would recommend some ambient music. I don't understand how someone can't like classical music, where classical music is like a real music that it's about to stop to exist soon, because all the modern world is winning, and it's actually sad. But I really would love to really keep in mind that real and less is always more. And the nature is always real, okay? So the real instrument has more power than the fake one made of computer, okay? So you really wanna be aware of that as well. Please remember to always fill up your fridge with good energy, positivity, which are fruits and veggies. And my dear ones, that's it for today. I hope I could inspire some of you, and I will talk to you soon again. And please follow the truth and trust the nature. There is nothing more beautiful than this. So enjoy yourself in this modern world, in this changing world, and God bless you. Namaste, peace, mahalo.